Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the environment and opening the right app. Make sure your device is unlocked and at least 20% charged, then open Google Contacts or the phone app. Once done, ensure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active so Account Sync can fetch hidden entries. You're doing this now to let the app check cloud settings. This avoids lost changes. Next, tap the three-line menu or more to reach settings and account options, because the next step requires selecting which contacts to display. Now reveal which sources are hidden and why. You should tap Settings then Contacts to display, or Accounts depending on your app. Make sure you enable Google, Device, and SIM or any secondary account so their entries appear. Once those are enabled, use Customize or View options to show groups and labels. This exposes contacts removed from the default view. If contacts were stored under a label, selecting it will surface them. Next, force a manual sync to pull cloud contacts onto your phone. Finish by restoring and verifying the recovered contacts. First, force a sync. Go to Settings, Accounts, select your Google account, and tap Sync now so the cloud pushes contacts to your device. If items are still missing, open Google Contacts Web or App Restore to roll back to an earlier state within 30 days, then sync again. Once restored, search for names and inspect labels to confirm. If you don't see them, reboot the phone and repeat sync. That often clears cache issues and completes recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.